Magnetism. About 2500 years back, in a place named Magnesia in Greece, a shepherd boy named Magnus was rearing goats. On that time, his iron-capped stick stuck on the rock and stood erect. On that time, the entire village were assembled and thought that was the power of the god. But that is a magnetic rock. These magnetic rocks were named magnets, and the ore is called as magnetite after the name of the boy, Magnus. The name is also supposed to come after the name of the place, Magnesia, in which it was found. Magnetites are natural magnets. They are called magnetic stones because they are having natural attracting property. They are also called leading stones or lodestones. They are used for finding direction. Around 800 years ago, Chinese used lodestones to find directions. This magnetic compass was first invented by Chinese Han Dynasty and Tang Dynasty to find direction during navigation. Let's see the types of magnet. There are two types of magnets, namely natural and artificial magnets. Magnetite are natural magnets and U-shaped magnets are artificial magnets. Lodestone, pyrrhotite, columbite and basalt are examples for natural magnets. In this, lodestone is the strongest magnet and others are weaker magnets. Artificial magnet. Man-made magnets are artificial magnets. They are in different shapes. Bar magnets, horseshoe magnets, ring magnets, needle magnets, oval magnets, round magnets, cylinder magnets. Magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Substances which are attracted by magnet are called magnetic substances. Example: iron, cobalt, nickel are magnetic substances. Substances which are not attracted by magnets are called non-magnetic substances. Example: paper, plastics are called non-magnetic substances. The parts of the magnet, those attract the largest amount of iron fillings, are called as its poles. The attractive force of the magnet is very large near the two ends. These two ends are called its poles. Magnets have two poles, namely North Pole and South Pole. A freely suspended magnet always comes to rest in north-south direction. Magnetic compass. A compass is an instrument which is used to find directions. It is mostly used in ships and airplanes. As a rule, mountaineers also carry a compass with them so that they do not lose their way in unknown places. You can also create magnetic compass like this. Properties of magnets. Attraction or repulsion are the properties of magnets. Opposite poles attract each other. Like poles repel each other. How magnets lose their properties? Magnets lose their properties by hitting with a hammer or heating or dropped the magnet from a height. Magnets lose their properties by placing near cell phone, computer. These objects will also get affected by magnetic field. Storage of magnets. Improper storage can also cause magnets to lose their properties. To keep them safe, bar magnets should be kept in pairs with their unlike poles on the same side. They must be separated by a piece of wood and two pieces of soft iron should be placed across their ends. Let's see the usage of magnets. We use various equipments with magnets in day-to-day life, like speakers, electric motors, door locks, bags, toys, boxes, pin holders, magnetic cranes, etc. Now let's see some activities. Prepare a magnetic needle. Insert 2 thermocol balls into the needle and place the needle in a bowl of water. Test whether the floating needle is always turned in rest on north-south direction. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.